The MINISFORUM UM890 Pro. Now, for those of you who demand the absolute best, we have the MINISFORUM UM890 Pro. This is where things start to get really interesting. This mini PC is an absolute beast, packing some serious hardware into its tiny chassis. It's for those who want it all: power, portability, and performance that pushes the boundaries. Under the hood of this beast lies the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor. We're talking 8 cores of pure processing power, enough to handle even the most demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. This thing laughs in the face of multitasking. You can throw anything at it, and it just keeps going. The MINISFORUM comes equipped with a massive 1TB NVMe SSD. That's right, a full terabyte of lightning-fast storage for all your games, applications, and files. You'll never have to worry about running out of space again. The star of the show here is the graphics card. The MINISFORUM UM890 Pro packs an AMD Radeon RX 680M. This thing is an absolute monster, capable of delivering stunning visuals and buttery smooth frame rates, even on the most demanding AAA titles. We're talking high refresh rates, ray tracing, the works. If you're serious about gaming, this is the mini PC you've been waiting for. To complement all that power, the MINISFORUM UM890 Pro comes loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's an insane amount of memory, ensuring that your system stays snappy and responsive, even when you're pushing it to the limit. But what truly sets the MINISFORUM UM890 Pro apart is its build quality.